Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss which platform can be the better place for you guys to earn money. Watch from start to the end to know every detail. But first of all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Now let's get into it. Deciding between Medium and Hubpages for earning through blogging depends on various factors, including your goals, audience, and content strategy. Each has its unique features and potential for generating income, but selecting the right one depends on the various factors which I'm going to discuss. So the first one, let's talk about content focus. Medium is known for its focus on high quality, long form content, including articles, essays, and personal stories. It often attracts writers who want to share their expertise, insights, or personal experiences. While Hubpages, they cover a broader range of content types, including articles, guides, review, tutorials, and how-to articles. It caters to a diverse audience interested in various topics and niches. Now let's talk about monetization. Medium offers the Medium Partner Program where writers can earn a revenue based on member reading time spent on their articles. It has a built-in monetization system that distributes earnings from subscription fees among writers to those articles are read by members, while Hubpages provides multiple monetization options, including the Hubpages ad program, eBay Partner Network, and Amazon affiliate program. Writers can earn through advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, and other monetization methods as well. Number third, it's audience and discoverability. Medium has a large and engaged community of readers and writers. Its platform is designed to surface content based on relevance, quality, and engagement, potentially increasing the visibility of the articles to a broader audience. While Hubpages also has an active community, it relies more on search engine optimization for discoverability. Writers can optimize their articles for search engines to attract organic traffic from Google and other search platforms. The next factor is control and ownership. Medium writers retain ownership of their content on Medium and can choose whether to make their articles available for everyone or restricted to Medium members. Hubpage writers retain ownership of their content published on Hubpages. They have more control over the presentation and monetization of their articles, including the ability to incorporate affiliate links and other revenue streams. Now let's talk about community interaction. Medium emphasizes community interaction through features such as claps, comments, and highlights. Writers can engage with readers and other writers through discussions and responses to comments. Hubpages also fosters community interaction, but it may be less centralized compared to Medium. No doubt, Hubpages are easy to use, but the main problem of Hubpages is it has revenue sharing policy. While Hubpages do provide opportunities for earning revenue, writers must share a portion of their earnings with the platform. Hubpages algorithms for content promotion and monetization may change over time, affecting the visibility and earning potential of articles. With a large number of writers on the platform, competition for visibility and audience management can be high, requiring efforts to stand out. While writers retain ownership of their content, they have limited control over platform features, algorithms, and monetization policies. Hubpages enforces quality standards for content, and articles may be subject to moderation or removal if they violate these standards, impacting a writer's ability to earn revenue. Overall, Hubpages can be a valuable platform for writers looking to publish content, engage with the community, and earn revenue through various monetization options. However, it's essential to consider the pros and cons and tailor your approach to maximize the benefits while mitigating potential challenges. But when we talk about the cons of Medium, unlike some other platforms, it offers a limited range of monetization options. While it has the Medium Partner Program for earning through member reading time, the potential earnings may not be as high compared to other platforms. It controls the distribution of content through its platform, which means that writers have limited control over how their articles are promoted and who's seeing them. But overall, Medium offers many benefits such as built-in audience, ease of use, and potential of exposure. It's essential for writers to be aware of the limitations and consider them when deciding whether to use the platform for their content or not. So now, you know all of the differences. Just tell me which platform would you prefer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.